Well, next it's a very, very big moment indeed for some young people who come from the St James School Choir in Hammersmith in West London. They represent many, many different nationalities, and they're going to perform a poetic verse, the shloka.
Samidjuase Rishanabne Vishwanyarya Eraspade Samidyase Salo Vasurya Bhara Sangachyatwang Sanvadatwang Sangomanansi Janatam Deva Bhagam Yatha Purve Sanjanana Upasate Samano Mantraha Samitihi Samani Samanam Manaha Saha Chittamesham Samanam Mantramapi Mantrayevaha Samanena Wo Havisham Juhomi Samani Wa Akutihi Samana Kritayalivaha Samanamastu O Mano Yatavaha Susahasati Om Shanti 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 Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om.
A beautiful moment for the pupils from St James School.